Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back NVIDIA driver. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now you may have just recently updated your drivers and come into some issues and realize that the version before was actually a better version for you to have. So I'm going to guide you through the way on how you can actually roll back your drivers now. To start with, you just want to click the Windows button and just type in Device Manager. And from here, I'll bring up a few options. And well, the one we're looking for is display adapters. So we can go ahead and double click on this and this will show us our graphics card. Now, as you can see, there's not actually an option right here to roll it back. So we have to go into your properties first. And then from here, the tabs at the top, there's one called driver. We just click on that. And as you can see, there's one that says rollback driver. Now, as you can see, mine's grayed out. I can't actually click it. And the reason why is because I didn't have a version to go back on. But if you've recently updated it, you should be able to roll it back fairly easy. And I hope you manage to roll it back and get your graphics card working as it should be. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.